Now to a new Pacific storyteller on the scene, Auckland University postgraduate student Denise Sua.
Denise recently showcased a play at the Maidment Theatre, which she wrote and directed. Crystal Vaenga was there to check it out.
God, I know I don't deserve it.
They say, the stories we love best live in us forever. For Auckland University student Denise Sua, it was time to take her play from a life lesson to the stage.
So at the start of the year, I kind of decided that I was going to write a play for my master's project, and I thought for a long time about what I would write about. And I thought, oh, okay, I'll write about my dad. And I've wanted to write about my dad for a long time, but I've never been in the right space to do that. So I thought this was a good opportunity to try it out.
Denise's play featured at the Maidment Theatre in Auckland for 2 nights to a sold-out house. Embracing her Pacific roots, Denise both entertained and moved her audience with her culture.
I think for Pacific women to see someone that looks like them put themselves out there and be open and be vulnerable and achieve and excel at what they do is a huge thing.
I think definitely being a postgraduate student and being Pacific Islander, you kind of look around and you see the lack of brown faces. And I don't, that's such a big thing to be like, I represent people, but I'm definitely not ashamed to kind of bring my culture into my studies. And I mean, that's what I'm doing with the play. I'm kind of mixing the two. So my play is called Talosanga, and it's a story about love, sacrifices, and promises.
What a game we have for you today, ladies and gentlemen.
In 2010, Denise's father, Talosanga, was diagnosed with Burkitt's lymphoma, but 2 years later, he lost his battle with the illness. The play is a look at the family dynamic as each member deals with their own battles with the illness.
I play Mama, who obviously is based off my own mum, which kind of makes it a little bit easier because I'm able to observe her. If I was playing myself, it would be a little bit harder, I think, to be on stage and kind of make that character theatrical and kind of act myself out, if that makes sense. So it's been difficult, but I've loved it.
Talosanga features Papa, Mama and their daughter Selena, portraying the subtleties before and after Papa leaves them. To win the hearts of the audience, Denise reimagines the connection of Mama and Papa and illuminates the bond of a father and daughter.
I think at the core of it is family. Again, I go back to it. It all kind of comes down to that and about the relationship that you have with different people in your family. Even any time I feel down or I kind of feel like I'm not really motivated to do it, I just look at my family, and it's not just a degree for myself. It's just as much theirs as it is mine.
Sleep, my baby girl. Dream of great things.